In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Wise. We'll do this right from your browser, and I'll guide you through each screen so you know exactly what to expect. Think of withdraw here as moving money out of your Wise balance and sending it to where you need it, whether that's your own bank account, an e-wallet, or a recipient you're paying. Start by opening your preferred browser and going to the Wise web app. If you're prompted, sign in securely and make sure you're on a trusted network. It also helps to have the details of where you're sending the money ready, such as bank information or a verified email address, so you can breeze through the setup. From your Wise home screen, click Send. Even though you're withdrawing, Wise organizes this action under Send because you're sending funds out of your Wise balance to another destination. This is where you'll initiate the transfer from your available currency balance. Next, click Add Recipient. This tells Wise exactly where the money should go. Adding a recipient is a one-time setup for each person or account. Once saved, you'll be able to select them again quickly in the future. Now select the currency. Choose the currency you want the recipient to receive. Picking the recipient's local currency often speeds up delivery and can help avoid extra charges on their end. Wise will apply its transparent, real exchange rate if a conversion is needed, so choose the option that makes the most sense for the destination. Then add the recipient using the method that fits your situation. If the person or business is already on Wise, you can find them directly within Wise, which reduces manual data entry. If you prefer sending to an e-wallet, select that and follow the prompts for the wallet provider and account ID. For traditional bank transfers, choose bank details and carefully enter the required information, like account numbers or IBAN, and any necessary routing codes. If you're paying an invoice, you may be asked to upload a screenshot or the invoice itself to confirm the purpose of payment, which helps with compliance and keeps everything documented. You can also pay by email, where Wise notifies the recipient and they securely add their details to receive the funds. Always double check spelling and numbers before you continue. Accuracy prevents delays and returns. Once your recipient is added and the currency is set, you're all set to move your money. That's the full withdrawal flow in Wise using your browser. Open the app, click Send, add your recipient, pick the currency, and choose the best way to direct the funds.